As we work toward our goal of creating gold standard CTE programming at Fargo Public Schools, one of the tools that we can utilize is our PLC time. With that being said, we have teams and departments in various stages of the PLC process and over 20 different groups meeting, and that can make it challenging to keep track of the process and make adequate progress. So today I'm sharing with you some resources that are available. In the shared drive that's titled PLC, there are a couple of documents, and I'm going to start with the PLC action steps. This goes through the 4 questions of the PLC process, which I think many of us could recite in our sleep. However, we often get stuck in question 1. What do we want students to know and be able to do? And in this planning process, there are multiple action steps lined out, but how can we move forward into question 2, 3, and 4 and continue to make progress? This is just a resource for you to refer to with your PLC groups as you think about student work and what is being accomplished in your classes. The second item that I want to draw your attention to is a PLC agenda template. This is a tool that you can use for guiding your meetings. Allows you to document the meeting date, which course you are collaborating on, who's the facilitator, timekeeper or recorder of notes, and a chat box monitor for those who are meeting via Zoom. On the right-hand side, the questions of the PLC process are lined out, and you can just simply check off which questions that you're working towards in a given meeting. Below there is a space with some guided questions for your PLC agenda and a little timeline to help make sure that everything stays on track, because time is always a limiting factor. So you can work through this, and if you choose to use this template and you'd like a place to store your notes, this is totally optional, but you and your team can set up a folder within this PLC document, make copies of your agenda and your meeting notes, and track them there for everyone to refer back to.